Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make an e-commerce site on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and then here you're going to find create a new site. Here in the center, you're going to find the list that includes all of your sites on Wix. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new site. And then once you click on it, you will be directed to this page right here. Bring your ideas to life with AI. You have two options. You can either set up your site using AI or you can set it up without a chat. So I'm going to click on set up without a chat. And then you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. You can either choose online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, and so on. So for example, I'm going to type e-commerce shop, click on it, and then click on continue. Right now, the dashboard is being prepared. So just wait for it to finish preparing. And right now it's loading. Just wait for it to load. And then this is how it will look like. Once you're here, you need to set up your store. First of all, go ahead and give it a name. So I'm going to name it, for example, Ecom Store. And then I'm going to click on continue. After that, they're going to ask you, do you already have an online store? You can either choose no or yes. So I'm going to choose yes. And then click on continue. What kind of products are you selling? Choose what kind of products you will sell. For example, I'm going to choose digital products and then click on continue. Then they're going to ask you, how are you offering your products? You can either choose online store, in person, marketplaces, and social media, and lastly, mobile app. I'm going to choose the first option and click on continue. And then you can continue to dashboard. And right now the dashboard is being updated. And you can go here to the bottom to click on this option to design your site. How would you like to design your website? You can either choose to design it with AI or a customized template. So I'm going to pick a template from here. And then, for example, I'm going to choose a template from this list. For example, I'm going to choose this one, click on edit, and then you're going to be taken to the editor page. And here it is. So right here, you can customize your site. And once you finish, you can click on publish to go live. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.